Sony Live saw another release on its platform with the film titled Kadak on 18 June 2020. It is a thriller dark comedy film directed by Rajat Kapoor and produced by Mithya Talkies. It stars Ranveer Shore as Sunil, Mansi Multani as his wife Malti, Rajat Kapoor as Rahul, Tara Sharma Saluja as Sheetal, Cyrus Sahukar as Yogesh, Shruti Seth as Alka, Sagar Deshmukh as Zoshi, Kalki Koishlin as Francois Murray, Nupur Asthana as Paro, Manoj Pahwa as Malti's uncle, Chandrachud Rai as Raghav, and Palumi Ghosh as Chaya, among others. The story begins when a stranger arrives at Sunil's home on an afternoon and later introduces himself as Raghav, Chaya's husband. Sunil gets shell-shocked at the confrontation because he was having an affair with Chaya, who is his office subordinate and doesn't know how to react, and invites him into his home. Sunil gets scared with the situation and Raghav starts confronting him with a gun for luring his wife into an affair. Suddenly, Raghav shoots himself, and not knowing what to do, Sunil gets afraid and starts cleaning the house that is splashed with blood. But his wife Malti arrives and he tells her about the dead body but lies about him being an office colleague and has done suicide because he was fired from his job. Being the Diwali celebration, they had invited friends, family, and colleagues earlier, and the guests start coming. Sunil and Malti hide the body and the gun in the meantime and start hosting the party after knowing that there is no escape from the celebration. Rahul shares his good news of his book publication, whereas Alka and Zoshi are in goofy mood to celebrate the evening. Several guests start visiting and even Chaya arrives uninvited, which shocks Sunil. The whole situation gets tensed and the plot really gets interesting as to what will happen eventually. The film is really entertaining. The whole plot takes place only in a house till the climax. It depicts a Diwali party of friends gathered at Sunil's house. Cyrus Sahukar's weird fundas, Zoshi's quirky nature, and his stupidity in a drunken state. It's a complete thriller with a unique touch of dark comedy. Even during the tense moments, audiences tend to laugh sometimes with their situation. This reminds us of the 1983 comedy plot, Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. Not like exactly as it is, but the comical turn of events and the execution. The cinematography is amazing. The metaphorical sequences of the broken Vietnamese vase that was stuck back together but has visible major cracks, just the same as that in the relationship of Sunil and Malti, is just wonderful. Every character is showcased with their own insecurities, own secrets, and own flaws. It's a wonderful plot. It takes certain interesting turn of events and keeps you on the edge each time. There are some comical turn of events in the end with comical soundtrack and the explanation of the death of Ho Gaya Yaar by Ranveer Shore to Rajat Kapoor with helplessness is really hilarious. To sum up with the performances, Ranveer Shore as Sunil gives in another stellar performance. He's so natural and spontaneous every time. His craft is undoubtedly proven till date and he executes his expressions well. Mansi Multani as Malti is really good. She has portrayed the role very efficiently. So did Shruti Seth as Alka. Rajat Kapoor as Rahul is as usual a masterpiece performer. His acting is always so calm and his portrayal comes out so natural and doesn't look like an effort at all. He's just mesmerizing. A real talent that has created his own world of talented cinema. Cyrus Sahukar as Yogesh is amazing. He is just so funny and his dark comedy was top notch. Sagar Deshmukh as Zoshi is natural. Typically a theatre actor, he has proved himself in the storyline with his unique touch of quirkiness. Kalki Koishlin as Francois Murray is to the point. She didn't have much of an important role, but her characterization was good as a French person. Chandrachud Rai had a short role considering that his character dies at the beginning itself, but his characterization, dialogues delivery, expressions, body language, his depressed and unstable behavior after finding out about his wife's affair, everything was portrayed wonderfully. All the other cast performed really well. It is a pity that this one with so much talented cast and a wonderful plot has remained an underrated film. Appreciate talent, people. Watch this one. It's a unique plot that will give you a wonderful experience as a film. So how do you like the film? Have you watched it already? Do let me know in the comments. Also suggest which content you would like to be reviewed or discussed. If you like this video, make sure you press the like button down below. Share the video with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications from this channel for fresh content. Stay tuned for more such sassy and wacky entertainment. Thank you. Signing out.